Hello and welcome back to your own YouTube channel, Learn from Home with JP. Today I'm going to share with you 15 different ways in which you can express your happiness and say I'm happy or I'm very happy. And what I'm going to do is I will repeat each one of these statements thrice so that you can practice with me. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first one in the list is I am overjoyed. I am overjoyed. I am overjoyed. The second one, I'm thrilled. I am thrilled. I am thrilled. I hope you've been practicing with me. If not, let's start from this one. The third one, I am delighted. I am delighted. I am delighted. The fourth one, I'm ecstatic. I am ecstatic. I am ecstatic. Fifth one, I am on cloud nine. I am on cloud nine. I am on cloud nine. The sixth one, I'm elated. I am elated. I am elated. The seventh one is I am on top of the world. I am on top of the world. I am on top of the world. The eighth one is I'm beaming with happiness. I am beaming with happiness. I am beaming with happiness. The ninth one, I am filled with joy. I am filled with joy. I am filled with joy. The tenth one is I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. 11th one is I'm over the moon. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. 12th, I'm walking on sunshine. I'm walking on sunshine. I'm walking on sunshine. The 13th one, I'm in a state of bliss. I am in a state of bliss. I am in a state of bliss. 14th one, I'm feeling euphoric. I'm feeling euphoric. I'm feeling euphoric. And the 15th one, I'm filled with pure delight. I am filled with pure delight. I'm filled with pure delight. Hope you liked this video. If you did, express that by clicking that subscribe button and the like one as well. Don't forget to leave your comment and tell us which one out of these 15 was new for you. मिलते हैं जल्दी ही. Till then, take care of yourself and keep learning.